Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to share live location on Snapchat with friends. It's pretty easy, so to do that, head over to your Snapchat application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your Bitmoji on the top right. And here you can just turn on your location, but if you can't find that option, just go back and head over to the DM section and then head over to any chat you want. So once you are there, just tap on their profile and here you will find the option of sharing location. Tap on it and tap on allow. Turn on your location and then your location will be shared with that specific person. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.